In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform material cost estimation in CostMiner. This process is essential for construction projects, ensuring that your material expenses are accurately forecasted and budgeted. CostMiner is a robust tool designed to streamline and enhance your project management capabilities. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. To kick things off, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the CostMiner website. This software is specifically tailored for construction estimating and takeoff, making it your go-to tool for managing project costs effectively. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your account. If it's your first time here, make sure to enter the details provided to you by your account administrator or follow the sign-up process if you have yet to do so. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a list of your projects displayed on the dashboard. Click on the project you're working on. This action takes you into the specific project's environment where you can start managing and estimating costs. Inside your project, locate the Import Plan button and click on it. Importing your plan is a crucial step. It allows you to link your detailed drawings and plans, which could be in formats such as DWG or PDF files. Having your plans integrated with CostMiner is vital for accuracy in your material measurements. Once your plan is uploaded, click on the Add button to begin the estimation. This feature helps you start populating the necessary materials and costs into your project. Next, it's important to set the drawing scale. Look for the ruler icon, which allows you to set a reference measurement on your drawing. This step ensures that all the dimensions you gather from your plan are in line with real-world measurements, offering precision to your estimates. Following this setup, click on a sample measurement on your drawing. This step means selecting a known measurement within your plan. After you've done so, proceed by clicking on the other end of that measurement. This is effectively setting the length or size of the measurement within the software. Now type in the measurement value. The accuracy of this figure is crucial as it verifies that the scale and measurements are correctly applied across your plan. Once entered, click on Apply. This confirms the setting for this particular measurement and ensures all subsequent measurements adhere to this scale. Now click on Trace Area. Before doing so, make sure the item list is set to Materials. This setting is essential as it indicates that you are estimating material costs within the software. Begin tracing by clicking on the corners of the room or area you wish to measure. This process involves marking out the perimeter of the space you want to estimate for. Make sure you are precise with your clicks to get an accurate estimation. After marking your corners, the software will calculate the total area, and this measurement should show up in the Item Estimates section. This final step verifies that your area measurements are accurately captured and recorded in CostMiner. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through setting up a material cost estimation in CostMiner. With these steps, you're now better equipped to manage your project expenses efficiently. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough has made the complex world of cost estimation in construction a bit clearer for you.